Okay, make sure you have good coverage on our paint before we move any further along with it. This back side needs a second coat. So we'll get that on real quick and let it dry. Okay, we'll let this dry. Welcome to Stony Creek, located in wild and wonderful southern West Virginia, here in the heart of Appalachia, nestled between the Allegheny and the Blue Ridge Mountains. Join us as we explore a culture rich in history and historical landmarks, cooking mid-Appalachian style, gardening, DIY projects, and back porch sitting. Okay, y'all, let's finish our chargers that we're making. I'm going to stencil on them next. Let me get you down here where you can see. All right, so I want to stencil around this away. Going to use the Waverly White chalk paint. You kind of want to do a dry brush technique. You don't want your brush to be too heavy. And we're just going to go in and stencil our print. I'm going to use a smaller brush to get in these. This is the really hard part to get because you've got bend. It's really tough. Okay. And we're going to come to this side and repeat. Okay. Now we'll let this dry. Okay, now that our stencil paint is dry, we're gonna seal it in with a clear wax. I just used, mine's by Chalk Couture, clear finishing wax. Okay, we're just gonna seal it in. Now this is not to be used with food. This is decoration purposes only. Okay. And there's our finished charger. Now let's see what they look like on the table. And here's our finished product. I think they turned out very pretty for spring. Very simple, very pretty, elegant. And I'll show you, I just folded my napkin and used a white ribbon. I'll show you that at the end of the video. I think it goes very well with my runner. I'm just very pleased with how they turned out. And there's my spring table, all ready for Easter. I hope y'all like this video. I hope you give it a try. Give me a thumbs up and hit the like button, and please subscribe. It helps YouTube to know that you liked my channel, and I appreciate it so much. So thank you. Okay, this is how I'm doing my napkins for my table. Fold them in half, and then corner to corner, and then tuck that over. And then we're going to make just a simple bow with a pretty white ribbon. We'll tie a shoelace tie, like that. Make our bow. Oh, I want this to be just a little longer. I want my tail to be just a little longer. Okay. Tie. Bring it through. And cut our ribbon. And there you have it. Our napkins that's going to go on our chargers.